We'll guide you through how to back up your files in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to the homepage, which displays all your current files and folders. To start backing up your files, locate the Upload button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. You can choose to upload files or an entire folder depending on your preference. Select Files if you want to upload individual documents, or Folder to upload a complete folder. A window will pop up allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories. Find the files or folders you want to back up, select them, and click Open. Dropbox will begin uploading your selected items to your account. You can track the progress of your uploads via the status bar that appears at the bottom of your screen. Once the upload is complete, your files will be securely stored in the cloud. To ensure everything is backed up correctly, you can click on the Files tab on the left sidebar to refresh the page and verify that your items are listed there. If you want your files to be automatically backed up in the future, consider downloading the Dropbox desktop app. With the app, you can enable the Smart Sync feature, which keeps your files backed up in real time without taking up space on your hard drive. This is especially useful if you're working with large files or have limited storage on your device. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.